Vande Mataram friends. Today we are going to learn exclamatory sentences. Then we discuss about what and how that use as a exclamatory sentence. Dear friends, here we can see the exclamatory sentence using what and how. Then we have to convert into indirect speech. That means we have to convert the exclamatory sentence into affirmative sentence. Mind well, please keep in mind here. And another thing is that we can easily recognize the exclamatory sentences by using this symbol. Okay, exclamatory. Now here, first of all we discuss about what and how. First of all, speaker. After that, reporting verb we use exclaim to. Yeah, if you understand very well, then exclaim with. But according to me, you use exclaim to. Okay, if you don't know the sentence. Another listener, the same thing, use that. After that, subject plus verb. When the sentence is about what, we have to use here removing verb and add a very after that adjective and noun. The same thing about how. Speaker exclaim to listener that, subject verb, remove very and use remove how and use very after that adjective. Let's discuss about the example. My dear friends, first of all you just see the sentence, what a beautiful dress you have. So my dear friend, see that first of all, where is the subject? In exclamatory sentence the subject always comes at the last point. So here you subject, then verb, after that adjective what, and then a beautiful, article beautiful, that is adjective, and a dress, that is noun. So when we are going to make affirmative sentence, so first of all we have to use subject. So what a beautiful dress you have, that means you have a beautiful dress. Okay, you have a beautiful dress, that is affirmative sentence. Okay, in exam generally in transformation it may be asked what a beautiful dress you have, and in bracket there is given that use affirmative. So when we use affirmative sentence, first of all we have to add subject. So you have a beautiful dress. Yeah, you have a very beautiful dress. So first of all here rules and regulation, that is exclamatory sentence. So Rachna said to Bijal. So we write Rachna exclaimed to Bijal that. Okay. First of all Rachna, then we use exclaim to instead of say to, after that listener, and then that we generally use as a conjunction. Now what a beautiful dress you have. So what is the subject? You. So you means Rachna, Ratna means see. So first of all we write see. After that have has had, she had, that is complete. Now come on that point what. So we remove what. After that a beautiful, so a very beautiful dress. So that is affirmative sentence. Subject Rachna, exclaim to, reporting verb listener Bijal, conjunction that, subject she, verb had, remove what and write it down a very. So a very, after that beautiful adjective, and then dress noun. Okay, the same thing here, article a and is given, that is why generally a and an article used in a what sentence. Okay, now see the same thing here. What about how? So Kaushik said to his friends, how happy I am. So here you can see that article is not used. So when the article does not come, at that time we can write very, and when the article come we use a very. Very, yeah, you can say that really also. Very, yeah, really. Okay, very, yeah, really. So how can we make the sentence? Kaushik said to his friends. So Kaushik exclaimed to his friend. Okay, Kaushik exclaimed to his friend, and the conjunction that. Now, how happy I am. So subject, verb, then other words, an adjective. So first of all, I am. So I means Kaushik. Kaushik means he. Amazon was were. So complete. He was. I am. He was. Now remove how and add very. Yeah, really. Kaushik exclaimed to his friend that he was very happy. That is the sentence. Okay, suppose the article is given, then at that time you use a very, and suppose article not there, then you use very or only really. Next, Karan said to Mohan, what a nice day it is. So what is the subject here? That is 1, 2, now 1, 2, come, remove what? Article, 3, adjective, 4 and 5. It is a nice day. So it is a very nice day. What a nice day it is. So it is a very nice day. So how can you make the sentence? First of all, Karan exclaimed to Mohan that. Karan exclaimed to Mohan that it, Amazon was where, it was, remove what? A very. It was a very nice day. It was a very nice day. Next, Pintu said to Pooja, what a good picture you have. So what is the subject here? You. After that, helping verb have. So Pintu exclaimed to Pooja that. Pintu exclaimed to Pooja that you have. You means Pooja. Pooja means she. Have has had. She had, remove what? A good picture. A very good picture. Clear? Now, what about how? Madhu said to Madhav, how dirty you look. That means you look dirty. You look really dirty. You look very dirty. First of all, Madhu exclaimed to Madhav that how dirty you look. First of all, we take subject you. You means Madhav. Madhav means he. Look, present. Then we use past. He looked. Remove how. He look. Remove how. Then use really. He look really. Yeah, very dirty. Madhu exclaimed to Madhav that he looked really dirty. Yeah, he looked very dirty. Next, Shiva said to Poonam, how beautiful you are. You are really beautiful. How beautiful you are. So, you are really beautiful. You are very beautiful. That is an affirmative sentence. So, Shiva exclaimed to Poonam that you means Poonam. Poonam means she was really beautiful. Okay, that is the exclamatory sentence. See that, what a beautiful dress you have. So she had a very beautiful dress, means you have to convert into affirmative sentence. What a beautiful dress you have. So you have a very beautiful dress. What a nice day it is. So it is a very nice dress. What a good picture you have. So you have a very good picture. How happy I am. So I am very happy. I am really happy. How dirty you look. So you look really dirty. You look very dirty. How beautiful you are. You are really beautiful. You are very beautiful. So that is exclamatory into affirmative sentence, and we learn here exclamatory sentence. So we change only the tense. Okay. So you write it down in your notebook. Okay. Now, my dear friend, we learn the different kind of exclamatory sentence. We already discussed about what and how. At that time, what did we do? We have to convert the exclamatory sentence into affirmative sentence. Means, what a beautiful dress you have. So you have a very beautiful dress. How happy I am. So I am really happy. Okay. Now see the different thing. In exclamatory sentence, most of the words are fixed here. For example, wow, alas, hurrah, oh, ah. So suppose this kind of exclamatory words comes. So we have a fixed words. For example, wow. So as a reporting verb, we can write exclaim with praise. Yeah, exclaim with admire. Alas, that means exclaim with sad. Yeah, sorrow. Hurrah, exclaim with joy. Oh, ah, exclaim with surprise. And suppose you know the sentences, so you can use another different kind of exclamatory sentence. For example, exclaim with love, exclaim with anger. How dare you to come here? So that is use exclamatory symbol anger. Exclaim with dislike. I hate you. I hate you. Dislike. How dirty you are. Dislike. Exclaim with pity. Exclaim with fear. Okay, you can use another exclamatory words also. Suppose you don't know the expression of these words, so at that time you write it down only exclaimed to. Okay, that is also correct. Oh, see example. She said to me, "Wow, you are looking beautiful." So, how can we make the sentence? She said to me, "Wow." Wow means exclaim with admire. So, she exclaimed with admire. That is the fix. She exclaimed with admire that now you are looking beautiful. So you means me, me means I was looking beautiful. I was looking beautiful. Clear? Now, he said to me, "Alas, alas." What comes? Exclaim with said. My friend is no more. So, he exclaimed with said to me. Sorry, here also she exclaimed with admire to me. Okay, that. So he exclaimed with said to me that my friend means whose friend? He. I mean my, him, his friend was. Okay, my friend, so his friend is, so was no more. So we can write here no more. Clear? Now, Dhoni said to Dravid, "Hurrah! We won the match." Hurrah means exclaim with joy. So, Dhoni exclaimed with joy to Dravid that. Dhoni exclaimed with joy to Dravid that we means they won, had won. They had won the match. Clear? Sheetal said to me, "Oh, I forget your birthday." So, oh, that is oh, exclaim with surprise. "Oh, I forget your birthday." So, Sheetal exclaimed with surprise to me that I means Sheetal. Sheetal means she. I forget your birthday. So she forgot your. I mean my birthday. She forgot my birthday. Next, the woman said to me, "How careless you are. How careless you are. How careless you are." Means the woman exclaimed with dislike to me. Okay, exclaim with dislike to me. Yes, suppose you don't know, then only you can write exclaimed to me. Okay, that how careless you are. You means me. So I was really careless. Okay.